See some of the works I did with this machine. Do you see how it is? Do you see how neat it is? For those that have been saying I should show them what my weaving machine, that's overlocking machine, looks like. Yes. Maybe they can get it or something like that. This is what it looks like. So this is what the full machine looks like. Hope you guys can see it. This is what it looks like. Okay, so this is it. This is what it looks like. This mine with light. Yes, I use electric. So this is it. All I have to do is to plug this to the socket, put this one on the floor. This is the one then I'll start using it. But you can also use this manually. Yes, if you want to use it manually, because if you're in a place whereby you don't hardly have light, all you have to do is to take out these belts. Let me show you guys the belts. You see this belt here, you remove it. When you take out this belt, then you have to get machine leg for peddling. Yes, get machine leg for peddling. It doesn't use the normal machine leg. There's a way they construct it, or it comes with it, I don't know, because I think it's too small for the normal blackhead machine leg. Okay, this one is too small, so you just, I think they can construct it or something, then you start using it. Like I said, you just take out this belt, pass the normal way we pass our belt also for peddling of the manual machine. So it's the same thing here. So which other thing? Okay, another thing, see the red stand. Let me show you guys very well. You see the thread stand? See it here. Now, one thing about this thread stand is that it's not must your threads must be here. You see, it's not must. You can as well place this on a table, place it on the floor. It works perfectly well. Why I'm saying this so that you won't think, oh, because I don't have this. But for someone that gets a new one, it must surely come with this. But in case maybe you are buying from someone and it doesn't have this, no problem. You can just place this on the floor, on the table. It works perfectly fine. This particular one. Now, another thing is how this my own is built. I put it on a table. As you can see, this is a table. It's on a table. All I have to, and this thing is not you cannot just, you can't easily remove this. If you want to take out this machine, you have to loosen a nut under this. If you've seen a video on how to mount this, you know that there is a nut under. When you loosen the nut, then you can take out this. So when I bought it, all I have to do was, first of all, I took it to the carpenter. They had to carve out the place where this will be. That thing was done. So this is what my machine looks like. And I've heard people talk about um, kneading and overlocking machine, and they say they won't get this. It's not okay. It doesn't weave well. It's a lie. It's not true. Now let me show you some of the works I did with this machine. Look at. See some of the works I did with this machine. Do you see how it is? Do you see how neat it is? This is what I weaved with this machine, this particular machine. Do you see how neat it is? See it. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Now, there was a time my machine was not weaving well. Like, everything was just, I was like, I'm not going to use this machine again. But I had to start, when I called the engineer, now let me tell you, if your machine is not actually weaving well, now if you have this machine and it's actually not weaving well, my dear, the problem is not from it doesn't even have any problem. It's just from the setting, the way the way you pass this thread, that's where the whole issue is. If you think I'm joking, try it. Maybe on a good day, I'm going to show you guys how to pass your thread, because the way I used to pass my thread before, like when my engineer came, he changed everything entirely, and I was like, wow. So please, if you have this machine and it has not been weaving well, please, it doesn't have any issue. It doesn't have any issue. All you have to do is thread it very well. Take out, make sure there is no dust, particles inside. Remove the particles inside, oil it, and you see it working perfectly fine. That's all. nothing more. Okay, so hope you've seen what this machine looks like, and if you are someone that have been saying I'm going to get a machine for overlocking, but because of what you've been hearing, it doesn't work well and all that, my dear, go and get it. Go and get it. You will enjoy it. When you have money to buy the bigger one, you can also get it. Okay, so thank you.